Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Being Pharmacist. I hope you all doing fine guys. And the big news currently from the West Bengal Health Recruitment Board WBHRB that your exam date been announced. So for all the aspirants of pharmacist, staff nurse, GDMO and the medical technologist, for everyone, all the examination dates have been announced. So we will discuss about the pharmacist exam date and other details related to examination, because we have already discussed about the whole syllabus and the exam pattern in our previous video, but now we have the exact date of the examination for all the departmental exams. Okay, for GDMO, for staff nurse, for medical technologist and for BSc nursing, GNM and pharmacist. So yeah, I have downloaded the examination date notice. You can see here, Government of West Bengal WBHRB. It is hereby notified that the computer based test for the recruitment to the following categories or posts will be held as per following. So the pharmacist grade 3, okay, slash 11 slash 2025 exam will be on 14th January 2026. So your exam is on 14th January 2026. Candidates who have applied online for recruitment to the above posts and whose applications are approved, so kindly check, firstly log in to the WBHRB portal and then check your application status. If it is showing approved, then you will be eligible to participate in the CBT to be held as per the schedule mentioned above. Details of the test centers, examination timings will be published in the board's website in due course. Okay, right now we have the details of the examination dates. Next, the center of examination and the particular shift or time. These things will be on, I think, admit card, or before them I can provide one a city intimation slip kind of thing. So right now this is the mid-November, right? So we have, I think, 10 days of November, then the whole December, and then another 13 days of January, right? So we don't have much time for preparation guys. So I would request all of you, start your preparation from now. Okay, if you have not yet started, and if you have already started your preparation, it's very good. Start revision, start practicing questions as much as possible, because this is the first time WBHRB is going to take examination, so we have no idea what kind of questions they are going to ask, right? But we will stick to the government examination. We'll follow the government examination for the pharmacists pattern, for the central government as well as the state government of other states. Okay, especially NHM and RBSK, etc. So this is the syllabus, you all know, right? Syllabus will be your diploma in pharmacy curriculum and syllabus based on the education regulation. Basically part 1, part 2, the whole syllabus for your diploma in pharmacy, including ceutics, chemistry, cognosy, pharmacology, pharmacotherapeutics, community pharmacy and management, social pharmacy, human anatomy and physiology, even biochemistry, pharma law and ethics. So basically we have to prepare the whole diploma in pharmacy subjects and questions as much as possible. We don't have any previous year question paper, so just kindly go through all the model question papers for different examination, some last question paper from the different government examination for the pharmacist. Okay, we can do all these things for your preparation, like beside our revision part. We have to continue till last 10 days before. Okay, so start your preparation, practice as much as possible, and practice both mock test and some previous government type question papers. Talk to the WBHRB pharmacists, they may help you, for your preparation. They can guide you for the preparation. So this is all about the video guys. If you need any kind of preparation related video or this short time, okay, just comment here. I'll make sure to cover a video regarding the preparation or any guidance related to preparation for this short time duration. Okay, thank you so much guys, and please subscribe the channel and like, share to all the WBHRB West Bengal students, those who have applied for this post. Thank you so much.